In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn an Excel file into Google Sheets in seconds. If you've been managing spreadsheets across different platforms, you'll appreciate how this quick process seamlessly bridges Excel's features with Google's accessibility. Let's dive right in and make that transition as smooth as possible. To begin, you need to select the Excel file you want to convert. You might have it saved on your computer or stored on your cloud service. Either way, make sure you know where it's located so you can make this process quick and easy. If it's on your desktop or in your Downloads folder, go ahead and navigate to that location. Once you've located your file, the next step is to open it. Simply double-click on the file to open it in Excel. If you have a preferred program set to open Excel files, ensure that it will support this function without any issues. It's crucial to make sure your Excel file opens smoothly and that all data appears as expected, because what you see here is essentially what you will be converting. After opening your file, direct your attention to the top left corner of Excel and click on File. This is the gateway to most of the saving and exporting functions, so clicking here brings you steps closer to achieving your goal. In this drop-down menu, you're looking for the option that will allow you to save or otherwise transform this document into a Google Sheets format. With the File menu open, you will find an option called Save as Google Sheets. Clicking on this option will start the conversion process. This feature is designed to not only transfer all your data, but also preserve your spreadsheet's formatting as best as possible. It's one less thing to worry about, knowing your hard work in Excel will carry over into Google Sheets without extensive manual tweaking. Once you click Save as Google Sheets, your file will begin to convert. Depending on the size of your Excel file and the speed of your internet connection, this could take a few seconds to a couple of minutes. And that's it. You've just transformed your Excel file into a Google Sheets document. Having your data in Google Sheets means you can now take advantage of its collaborative features. You can share it with colleagues, friends, or teammates, and everyone can edit in real time, making updates and contributions seamless. Plus, it's readily accessible from any device anywhere without the need for specialized software beyond an internet browser. I hope you found this guide helpful and that this quick conversion boosts your productivity. If this video made your day just a little easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more time-saving tips. See you in the next video.